आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। पार्ट 12 सीरियल नंबर 276 to 300 ऑन मोटिवेशनल सेंटेंसेस, कोटेशंस एंड मैगजीन्स। माई सेल्फ इज धीरज कुमार सिंह, practicing advocate of Allahabad High Court. Part 1 to 11 have already been made and I hope that you will have listened to those videos. Let us start part 12 from serial number 276 to 300. 276 3 power habits to elevate your life. Encourage instead of criticizing. Second, understand instead of judging. Third, initiate instead of waiting. 277 speak in such a way that others love to listen to you. Listen in such a way that others love to you to speak to you. 278 every morning is a symbol of rebirth of our life, so forget all yesterday's bad moments and make today the most beautiful day of your life. 279 the light which shines in the eye is really the light of the heart. The light which fills the heart is the light of God. 280 prayer is a state of mind where an amazing exchange happens. We hand over our worries to God and He hands over His blessing to us. 281 silence and smile are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems and silence is the way to avoid many problems. 282 when we tackle obstacles, we find hidden reserves of courage and resilience we don't know we had. It is only when we face failure do we realize that these resources were always there within us. We only need to find them and move on. 283 Monday is the perfect day to correct. 284 communication is the lifeline of any relationship. When you stop communicating, you start losing your relationship. 285 confidence there should be confidence with positive attitude. 286 very nice definition of time. Time is slow when you wait. Time is fast when you are late. Time is deadly when you are sad. Time is short when you are happy. Time is endless when you are in pain. Time is long when you feel bored. Every time is determined by your feelings and your psychological conditions and not by clocks. So have a nice time always. 287 we should conquer all type of fears. 288 don't choose the one who is beautiful to the world. Choose the one who makes your world beautiful. 289 life is an echo. What you send out comes back. What you sow you reap. What you give you get. What you see in others exists in you. Your life is an echo. It always gets back to you. 290 everybody wants to park in the shade of, but nobody wants to plant a tree. 291 best philosophy in life is to keep the mind happy. We don't know whether success gives happiness or not, but a happy mind can always lead to success. 292 life is like a parade. At the shout of about turn, the last person becomes the first. So we really don't know when life will take U-turn. Never feel inferior or superior. 293 tell yourself everything will work out. Things will get better. You are important. You are worthy of great things. You are lovable. The time is now. This too shall pass. You can be who you really are. The best is yet to come. You are strong. You can do this. We believe what we tell ourselves. 294. Nationalism must be in our blood. 295. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. 296. Cute relationship is when someone is angry with you and says, I will never talk to you, and later comes back to you and to just inform you, I am still angry. 297. A moment of patience in a moment of anger saves you 100 moments of regret. 298. Only those who have learned the power of sincere and selfless contribution experience life's deepest joy, true fulfillment. 299. Senior citizens are pillar of the nations. 300. These days nobody respects age unless it is distilled and bottled. If you have not subscribed my channel so far, I humbly request you once again to subscribe my channel and like and share it with others so that I can get inspiration and motivation to make more videos and others may also take benefit thereof. Thank you for watching my video patiently and attentively.